viewers, this is Atif Rahman with another episode of Twin Cooking on Twin TV. Today I will be teaching you a very special recipe, chicken 65. You can try it in iftar time, and even after Ramadan you're probably going to want to eat it a lot because it's so delicious. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. Alright, to start off, I've taken about 400 grams of boneless chicken cut into small cubes, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and just a pinch of food color. That's optional if you like. You can put it. So we will start off by adding the ginger garlic paste into the chicken. This is the marination process. That's the step 1 for making your chicken 65. And then for step 2, I'll show you the ingredients just a bit later. So let us just start the marination process for the chicken. And now just add all the spices. Like so. And now just mix it well. Now set this aside for about 1 hour, ideally overnight, but for 1 hour, and then we will continue with the frying process. Alright, now so 1 hour has passed, and now we will just add 2 tablespoons of corn flour into the chicken and then mix it well, and then we'll put it for deep frying. Alright, so I'm going to be deep frying this. You can do it in your pan as well. I have the Toastmaster deep fryer. They make very good deep fryers, so if you are in the market for it, definitely recommend this brand for you guys. So just we are going to fry this chicken for only 5 to 6 minutes into your deep fryer. Alright viewers, so about 5-6 minutes have passed. This is how it should look like, your chicken. And then you can just set it aside for now. And now I'm just adding the remaining into the deep fryer. Alright. Now this batch is done as well. Now let's move on to step 2. Alright, for step 2 now I'm gonna take a pan. I have it on medium heat, and I'm adding just 1 tablespoon of oil into this. And now I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 2 to 3 green chilies, medium size, cut into small pieces like so. And I've just taken 1 curry leaf. It was a large size curry leaf, and I've cut into small pieces. If you have the smaller ones, you can even take 2. Now first I will add the chopped garlic into this, into the oil, and just stir it for about a minute or so. And now I will add the green chilies and the curry leaves together, and then stir it for about a minute as well. And now I will take the fried chicken that I just fried in the deep fryer, and I will add this into the frying pan along with the green chilies and the chopped garlic and the curry leaf, and then I will stir it all together. Now as you can see, it's fully ready. I only put it in the frying pan for 2 minutes because it was already fried before. You don't need to put it in the pan for longer. And this is it. Now let's pour it into the container. So there you have it, viewers. Chicken 65, a very good and delicious recipe for iftar time. Try it out. If you do, please leave a comment below and send us a picture so we can post it on our Instagram. Until we see you again, please remember us in your prayers. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Atif Rahman and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share it with everyone you know. Plus, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and press the bell icon button so you can get up-to-dates on all of our new videos every single day. I can't wait to see you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.